Get outside.
Yeah.
And how's it coming in our house? From the air conditioner? How are you going to scare him away?
Because
What are you going to tell him?
I was scared outside until one say skunks.
Are you going to go, boo?
Yeah, I'll go scary face.
Oh,
Hey,
show me how.
this comes from the air conditioner.
It is coming in the air conditioner. What kind of face are you going to use to scare him away? Oh, that will work, huh? That will work good. That will get rid of him. Fifi?
Yeah,
The skunk?
yeah,
Well, did you tell Fifi to stop stinking?
yeah,
And he didn't listen?
yeah.
Wonder why.
It's so hot. Yeah.
That's why we had to turn the air back on, even though we can smell the skunk, huh? You.
He'll come in our bedroom.
Nah. He can't open the door. Should we let him in?
No,
How come?
because it will spray us.
Yep, it will spray us.
It can't run the door.
Well, we can't run to the store right now, huh? Because he's outside?
Yeah, really stinky.
Really stinky.
We'll have a go my birthday tomorrow in the park, and we're not gonna go swimming.
We can go swimming. He'll be hiding by tomorrow.